Number of folks may have to get tested a second time. We're talking about all these tests. It's frustrating for them after their test samples were lost.
Yeah, many of them were waiting to find out the results so that they would have that news and know whether they needed to be tested or again. That was from a testing location in Brigham City, and that's where Northern Utah specialist Mike Anderson is right now. Mike, what went wrong?
Yeah, guys, we know those test results go from the testing center here in Brigham City by courier down to a state lab. But the folks here at the Bear River Health Department have now learned that all of the tests from last Wednesday, somewhere along the way, were misplaced. From the hundreds of thousands of people tested for COVID-19 so far, you may have heard the stories of the long cotton swabs.
And they push it way up your nose.
It's not something you'd want to get a second time, but discomfort aside, there's the simple fact that you'd want your results the first time.
I called Monday morning. They said they didn't have them. I called in the afternoon. They said they still didn't have them.
Ari, who asked that we not use her full name, says she was told results from her Wednesday test would take about 72 hours. She called again Tuesday and still nothing. Then today, she got a call.
She said, I'm sorry to inform you, but we lost all of the tests that we did last week, and so we don't have a result for you.
Spokesman for the Bear River Health Department, Josh Greer, says she's not the only one.
Sometime yesterday, our nursing director starts getting lab results from tests that were run on Thursday.
Greer says the roughly 35 samples have since been found, but they're now basically expired, useless.
We are frustrated. It was an inconvenience for these individuals, especially if they had to go get retested.
Ari got another test today. She has body aches and a fever. She wants to know for sure.
I work in an emergency room, and so I'd like to know so that I can go back to work, because obviously I don't want to go into an emergency room and spread it to everybody there.
And Greer says that everyone involved here has been notified. On an unrelated note, the testing center that was located here has now been closed down as the staff here gears up for the flu season. Back to you guys.
All right, frustrating problem. Mike, thanks.